One of the most sincere form of respect is listening to what another has to say. And today, this is exactly what I'll be doing. I'll be listening to all the unheard stories of our honorable guest. Hello, friends, and welcome to a brand new series of Lions Unleashed. The guest in our hot seat today is a dynamic personality known for his punctuality, discipline, practicality, and straightforwardness. In the Lions fraternity, he is known as the Englishman because of his fluent and smooth accent. I, Lion Pooja Mittal, proudly take this opportunity to welcome one of the mentors of Lions International, District 322F, with our very own PDG, Sir Kamlesh Kalani. So thank you so much for coming in our podcast today.
Thank you so much.
So today I'll be asking you many questions both on your personal as well as Lionism, personal life and Lionism. So let's get started.
Oh yes.
So to start with, सबसे पहले हम शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. So tell us something about your school life, your college life, and everything you want us to know.
Yeah, school life. I was in Karshiang in Muthol's Memorial School. Spent 9 years in the hostel, and thereafter did my studies in Darjeeling as well as in Calcutta, St. Xavier's, and then got into the business straight away after graduating in 1976. Came down to Siliguri, started off my career in the new business.
Okay, perfect, sir. So as a student, were you a studious student or like जो होगा देखा जाएगा type of a student?
No, I was a mediocre.
Okay.
Yeah, but I did pass off generally with 60 to 70%.
Okay, so घर पे डांट पड़ती थी मम्मी से या पापा से?
डांट ही तो नहीं पड़ी कभी.
Okay. डांट पड़ने से maybe
I would have been better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So sir, अब चलते लाइनिज्म की तरफ. सबसे पहले तो मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि you are a life membership. I have
Yes.
heard so. So what is it all about? We all want to know.
See, life membership is, in our time, we were paying $350 once, and you must be a 15-year Lion
Okay.
minimum qualification. And thereafter, you never have to pay any international dues except your district dues and multiple dues.
Okay.
And in our district of 322F, or even when it is a joint district, I think in entire northeastern India, there may be hardly 10 life members.
Okay. So you're one of them.
Yes, I'm one of them. And Lion GS Hora is also one of them.
Okay.
Now, I've just given a proposal to our international second vice president, Dr. Manoj Shah, just yesterday, that why don't we give more impetus on to this field where you can definitely increase membership, and once he becomes a member, he never would like to leave again. So that will hold him back into Lionism for years to come.
That will be a great initiative to
Yes.
start. Okay, sir. So, sir, moving on, like now we have heard about the 1.5 mission. ये बहुत जोरों शोरों से हम लोग के
Yeah.
लाइनिज्म में अभी चल रहा है. So, what is your take in this?
See, 1.5 mission is a very good activity, no doubt on it. The more hands, the more service. That's, of course, definitely the idea behind it. But then we have to groom these members
Exactly.
how to behave in Lionism. That's more important.
So, basically, there should be quality more than quantity.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, moving forward, when did you join Lionism and what inspired you to do so? Was it a decided decision or just a casual thing?
I joined Lionism in 1980,
Okay.
and it was actually inspired by my father. He was a member of Lions Club of Darjeeling,
Okay.
and a lot of Lion magazines used to come to my
At
house.
your place. Yeah.
And that really interested me. I used to go through them. I still remember one past Governor Lion, R.L. Bathwal.
Okay.
I think during that period, my father was very active. And he was the zone chairperson of Darjeeling Lions Club. And he's the person who has extended Lions Club of Siliguri in 1968.
Okay.
And Lions Club Siliguri is the third oldest club in entire Eastern India, which I am a member of it and I'm very proud of it.
Obviously, sir. Sir, what is that one service which has always touched your heart? जिसको करके आपको हमेशा से लगा है कि हाँ, लायन होके ये सर्विस किया है तो सच में दिल को छुआ है वो सर्विस.
It was always this Lions eye camps and doing operations.
Cataract operations
Cataract,
for
yes,
the needy.
yes.
Great. So, what was that one thought, sir, which kept you going in all the challenges, whether you were the president of the club or the DG of the district? So, कोई एक पॉजिटिव थॉट जो आपको सारे challenges को फेस करके आगे बढ़ने का प्रोत्साहन दिया हो आप?
Yeah, I made a lot of new friends and we moved together. That's one thing, because I still remember when in 1976 when I came down to Siliguri, until 1980, I just had about 4 to 5 friends. But then after 1980, after my joining Lions, I made so many friends and I was really happy to be with them and do a little bit more of Lionism.
Of course, it's a great platform for fellowship
Oh,
as
yes.
well as making friends.
Definitely.
And so हमें ये भी पता चला है कि you always do your homework beforehand. जैसे when you were the DG also, कहीं पे भी आप विजिट करते थे कोई भी क्लब में तो उनका पूरा डिटेल्स निकालना, मेंबर्स का नाम तक
Yes.
आप मतलब उनको मतलब बुलाते थे by their own name. So why was it required and what was the thought behind it कि इतना टाइम देके आप सबका रिसर्च कर रहे हो and then you're going?
It's to be more personal with each other, get to know better, and doing your homework is always essential. During your studies, don't you do homework?
Yes, we do.
During your exams, don't you study in advance to get better things? That's the motive behind it.
Okay, wonderful, sir. Sir, if any day God grants you a wish to change anything in Lionism, so being a lion, so what would that thing be and why?
To be punctual in your meetings and your functions.
Okay, to be more organized.
Yes.
So we have also heard that you are very organized in everything.
Yeah, I try to be, yes. And I get little offended when I don't get the proper
Okay.
response.
So now I have some titles with me. And आपको जिस भी लायन का नाम सबसे पहले याद आता है वो टाइटल सुन के उनका नाम आपको बताना है. So it's a sort of rapid fire round.
Yeah.
So the most hardworking lion you have ever met. मतलब जो बहुत पर्टिकुलर है अपना कोई भी काम देने का दे रही है एंड यू आर लाइक कि वो काम तो हो जाना है क्योंकि
Lion PK Shah.
Okay, so he is very very hardworking.
Oh, yes.
Great. And the second one is the most energetic lion. जो who is always ready कि हाँ मुझे काम दो मतलब he is like very impatient कि हाँ मेरे को काम दो and I'm ready to do that.
Well, I think in this sector, there are so many people, I don't know whom to really mention the name.
Exactly.
There are
sir.
a lot of people, that's why this movement is still continuing.
Yes. Very nicely answered, sir. The most jolly natured lion you have ever met. जहाँ भी जाए वो बस माहौल बना दे.
It's Gopi Kishan Kalani, my uncle.
Okay. So he's also a lion.
Oh, yes.
Perfect. So the next one is the strict lion. जिनसे बात करने के लिए आपको 2 बार सोचना पड़े करूँ कि नहीं करूँ कि रहने ही दूँ.
PC Maskara.
Okay, sir. The most helpful lion जिसमें you can always count 24/7. Always.
Yeah, I'll name 2 people basically. This is Lion
sir.
G.S. Hora and Lion Nirmal Gidara.
Okay, sir. So they both are the mentors
Oh,
of
yes.
Lions International.
Oh, yes.
Perfect. And the most admirable lion, मतलब someone जिनको देख के आपको लगता है कि भाई lion हो तो ऐसा.
This is little difficult.
Yes.
But then again, I say there are so many inspiring lions in our district.
It's difficult to choose
Oh,
one
yes.
actually.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So last but not the least, the most foodie lion, मतलब कोई ऐसा lion जिसको सब पता रहता है कि हाँ ये चीज़ खाना है तो वहाँ चलते हैं, वहाँ सबसे बेस्ट मिलेगा.
Lion Shanti Lal Nahta.
Okay. So he's from which club?
My club.
Okay, he's from Siliguri.
Yes, Siliguri
Lions
Club,
Club
yes.
of Siliguri. Okay, great, sir. So it was a wrap up for the rapid fire session. So it was real fun. So let's now move into your personal life, sir. So as we all know, sir is a successful businessman. He is blessed with a beautiful wife, two charming daughters, and one dashing son. And of course, his daughter-in-law is a famous face of Lions District 322F. And for grandchildren, he is the famous and the most favorite Dadu. So, you're the most favorite Dadu of all your grandchildren. So, they call you by a unique name, I guess. So, what is that name? So, would you like to share with us?
Yeah, they call me Dadu. And,
Something else? So,
I don't know, Divya maybe have told you something.
so, I have heard that they call you by the name Firki Wale Dadu.
I forgot about it. Yeah, I have a tendency, to always turn the cheeks of the children.
Okay, so that is the reason why they call you
yes,
so.
Yes.
And आप सब बच्चों के साथ मतलब बच्चे बन जाते हो and you're very fond of playing with them and hanging out with them.
Correct.
Is it right?
Very correct.
Okay, sir. So, sir, हमें ये भी पता चला है कि you love traveling a lot. So, recently you have been to Australia and New Zealand also, and you have traveled many places, and it's your dream to travel the whole world. Or have you already traveled most of the parts of the world?
Yeah, most of the continents have been visited by me. I've started my travel journey from 1985,
Okay.
and it's continuing
Till date.
And I made it a point now that every second year I would be going somewhere or the other.
So, sir, what is that one place? Which is that one place that you think is the most beautiful till now? And अगर आपको वापस से मौका मिले तो आप वहाँ ज़रूर जाना चाहोगे.
That's New Zealand.
Recently, you have been to.
No,
New
I
Zealand.
went to New Zealand 2 years back. This
Okay.
time I've just gone to Australia.
Okay, sure. Sir. Okay, sir. So, what is that one thing which you like to do in your leisure time? मतलब कभी भी आपको कोई free time मिले तो हाँ सबसे पहले you think कि मुझे वो काम करना है.
A free time means it's TV time.
TV time. Okay.
Watch movies on Netflix.
So, are you more into watching TV or scrolling the mobile?
I watch more of TV, especially movies. See, I'm addicted to watch English movies. Yes.
Okay, sir. So, sir, are you a tea person or a coffee person?
I'm a tea person.
You love tea.
Yes, Darjeeling teas.
Darjeeling teas are your favorite. Okay. So, and are you a foodie? Do you love food? Like,
Yeah, I love food.
which cuisine do you love the most?
Other than any North Indian dish,
Okay, you don't love North Indian.
I don't love much. No.
Okay, so no naan, no kulcha,
No.
nothing.
It's always going to be Chinese, Italian,
Okay, nice.
Mongolian. That's it.
So it's a tip for everyone inviting sir over the treat. Keep your tea and your Chinese cuisine ready.
Yeah,
If so. So moving on, sir, हमें पता चला है कि आपको फोटोग्राफी का भी बहुत शौक है. So according to you, ऐसा कौन सा फोटोग्राफ आपने अब तक सबसे अच्छा खींचा है? किस जगह का?
See, I did photography right from a young age.
Okay.
And I used to be a photographer basically of marriage ceremonies.
Oh, is it?
I
sir?
photographed a lot of marriage ceremonies, especially in my relatives' arena, not as a professional.
Okay.
And other than that, I've clicked photos of flood situations, like a goat going on a raft of bamboos. And I myself have gone down into the rivers to take pictures, which I treasure it. And I'm still onto it. But now the mobile phone has spoiled the spot of good photographers.
Yes, you can easily edit
Yes.
those pics. Okay, so we have, as I already said, you are very organized, as we have heard, and आप अपने अलमीरा भी खुद मतलब सेटल करते हो, अपने सूटकेस भी
Yes,
आप
yes.
खुद ही पैक करते हो, खुद ही अनपैक करते हो.
Yes.
So मतलब कहाँ से ये आदत आपको लग गई है सर?
Being in hostel,
या बट सर हॉस्टल में लाइक काफ़ी लोग रहते हैं बट देन जब घर आते हैं तो लाइक दे कि
that habit was inculcated with me.
या
There was nobody else in the hostel to do your work.
Yeah.
And I spent 9 years in school and another 3 years in the hostel during my college days. So my adulthood, yeah, between let's be say the child and the adulthood, I spent my time in hostel. So that's where we picked up the habit
so you
of
have inculcated
getting-
that
Yes,
habit.
yes.
ग्रेट सो आंटी मस्ट बी वेरी हैप्पी विद यू कि उनको आपका कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ता है काम.
I think so.
Yeah, I'm sure. So, so if given a chance, so what would you prefer, going out with your family on a weekend or with your friends?
So families, of course, in one place. Friends is another place. Both cannot be put together.
So you'll see it according to the situation.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
And there cannot be a program where it's on the same day that we're going to travel. It's always going to be decided on different dates. So it's nice.
So you can manage it
Yeah.
nicely. And you're also very punctual. I have seen itself today also. So और हमें ये भी पता चला है कि आप कोई भी मतलब इनवाइट करता है कोई भी आपको कोई भी प्रोग्राम में, so you are always before time and you try to be the first one to reach there.
Yeah, not exactly the first one, but I should be there in time. Because I believe you should not waste others' time.
Exactly.
There are so many
Time is
people,
precious.
you may have, say, a meeting for an hour, and after an hour, there are people who would like to go to somewhere else place. They may be having an appointment elsewhere. So why should I waste the time?
सब यही सोचे तो
I think things can be better.
yeah, the things will be better. So, and who is your role model since childhood? Like, whom do you admire since childhood?
That's my father. He was a very known figure. Darjeeling, a lot of people, everybody rather knew him. And I still remember when he used to get off the vehicle coming from Jorubanglo to Darjeeling to go to his office in Darjeeling, it was like he used to handshake people until the time he reached the office. It used to be, his hand used to be always extended. I've seen that also personally.
Okay, so that's in your mind.
Oh, yes.
So, uncle, as we can see, like there are many Ganesh murtis behind you. So, you are fascinated with Ganesh ji a lot, I guess.
Yes.
So, what is the whole idea behind this, and कहाँ से, like कब से आपको ये fascination हुआ है?
I think it goes back maybe 30, 40 years. And this Ganesh ji has been first collection.
Okay.
And after that, it's a regular practice. If anybody wants to gift me anything, I always said, gift me a
Ganesh ji.
ji. This thing never gets old.
Obviously. So, sir, do you gift Ganesh ji or you preferring?
Yeah, I gift
Get-
Ganesh ji also, yes.
Okay. Nice. So, we can see a lovely collection of Ganesh ji. So, and if I'm not wrong, you were very close to your mother, as we have come to
Yeah.
know. So, any memory or incident which you want to share with us? Anything? Any nice, interesting memory?
My mom used to always take me whenever she used to go out. And I was always one child, was very, very close. I had two sisters, but I was more closer to my mom that way.
Okay. Sir, and we have a small request also. Generally, I guess you sing a song for your mother. Any Marwari song?
No, I sing some Marwari songs, but now it's the throat is very bad, and in fact, me and my wife, we have won duet songs also,
Okay.
but she has
nice.
lost her voice because of asthma, and I have also over the years not able to now cope up with singing.
So,
So those were the days when we used to really sing. Yes.
okay, sir. So, lastly, what message would you like to give to everyone watching this podcast? Means any positive message which you would like to give.
Yeah, do what you love what you do. That's
this
my
was your
message. This was my slogan
Slogan when
in
you were the
2003
DJ.
and 4 when I was the district governor. And I still continue doing that.
So, and in Lionism also, any interesting incident which you want to share with us? Any interesting story जिसने आपके माइंड में बहुत इम्पैक्ट अभी तक रखा हुआ है?
Yeah, it was during my district governorship, going to Cooch Behar, and this Cooch Behar Lions Club, the ladies club, there was only one that time.
Okay.
They received me in a very far place away from the town, and they traveled with me together. And after that, we went to a village. And in the village, water reception was given by these local people dancing around and escorting me to the dais. And it was really breathtaking. It was really fantastic. And then we gifted them some games items like I think it was a basketball, a football and a badminton court kit.
Okay.
And these children were so happy. You can see the joy in them. And they came around running and thanking us in all the languages. And they're bringing us flowers and giving us those bouquets.
So
That was something very interesting.
very touching.
Oh
too.
yeah, very touching, yes.
Okay, great, sir. Sir, so thank you so much for sharing all the little details about you today. So this is the end of our podcast. It was short and sweet, and I am thrilled to interview you, and it is a lifetime opportunity for me. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Pooja.
Thank you, sir.
And it was really nice. You're interviewing me. I hope I've passed.
Yes, sir. Obviously, you have surpassed me actually.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, friends, it's a wrap up for today. But stay tuned for a brand new podcast of Lions Unleashed, which is coming soon. Till then, keep serving, keep smiling, and keep roaring.